I want to dig deeper here with Bloomberg's Javier Blas, who was part of this Bloomberg News investigation and reviewed some of these figures and accounts from Saudi Aramco. Javier, I want to start with some of the highlights.
Well, the main number is that, according to the information that we have been able to review, Saudi Aramco made net income of $33.8 billion in the first half of 2017. I have to highlight that this represents the first half of 2017, so it's a bit of back mirror view that represents a world when oil prices were around $53 a barrel. Probably net income will be much higher now that oil prices are averaging $70. That is more than any other company that is listed in the planet. It's more than the big technological giants like Apple. It's more than JP Morgan, and certainly it's more than the five biggest international listed oil companies, Exxon, Royal Dutch Shell, Chevron, Total, and BP combined for that period, first half of 2017.
So, Javier, connect the dots if we can at this point. What does that indicate, if anything, about evaluation, if in fact they did go forward with an IPO?
Well, that's a very interesting question. Prince Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, has said that he thinks that the company is valued at least $2 trillion. Net income is certainly impressive, but when you look at other details like cash flow from operations, the dividend that the company actually is already paying to the Saudi government as a cash distribution on the period, that's what you see lower numbers, and it kind of a struggle to match the numbers that we have seen with that valuation of $2 trillion. Again, I highlight that this is a snapshot of 2017 first half, and obviously the numbers will be higher today. But if you look at the cash generation and the dividend that Aramco paid in the first half of the year, last year, was of $13 billion. That's a very large number, but ExxonMobil and Shell combined pay more or less the same. And obviously that combination of companies doesn't get even to $1 trillion in terms of market valuation.